How to delete Roblox account. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So Roblox does not have a direct delete account button, but you can request account deletion by contacting Roblox support. So here's how you can do that. Go to roblox.com/home and instead of home, simply type in support, hit enter, and this will take you to the contact us page. Now enter your username in the first field, which is optional. Enter your first name, which is also optional. Then enter your email address, which is associated with your account, and confirm the same email address in the next field. Now, simply select your device type. Either you use PC, Mac, Chromebook, iPhone, iPad, or Android phone. In the help category section, simply go ahead, select I want to delete my account, and in the help subcategory, also select I want to delete my account. Now in the description box, say something like, "Hello, I'd like to request the deletion of my Roblox account, so please let me know if you need any further information to proceed." Submit the form by tapping on continue, which is highlighted in black color, and wait for Roblox response, usually within a few days. Remember that Roblox may require identity verification to confirm the request, and if you're under 13, your parent or guardian may need to submit the request. And inactive accounts may be deleted after long periods of no use. So there is no guaranteed timeline. So that's it for the video. If you found this informative, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.